Bro, listen up.
Clap him on the dog. Yo, for real.
Bigger news. People in Jamaica invest in the highway. There are a lot of opportunities in Jamaica where a lot of people don't know. Right now, if you have 3,500, I think one share is after 3,500. If you say you spend 100,000 and buy some shares,
Then
you ever hear about generational wealth?
yes, that are created.
People, you see if you don't want to know pitney them if you come have sitting. The trajectory of Jamaica change. And you see if you don't change with it, you're not going to get left behind. Right now, me go tell you, say you have to take one 2,000, 3,000 US. Send go to Jamaica,
Buy some
shares in a highway. Be a owner, a part of your country. So you see if you don't live in America, Canada, England, anywhere you're there, watch this. Buy some shares in the highway. You get me, I say?
All right. So you see, when you come here on this podcast, more and just chat beef, we'll give some valuable information.
Yeah, man.
So, see, Trex don't do it.
Can't chat like a piece of fuckery before me come off. Don't chat like a fuckery.
Yo.
Kartel, you see Vybez Kartel.
Jaja,
yo, listen, Vybez Kartel job.
Oh, calm down. All right. We know.
So,
all right, take it calm.
So
Breathe in. All right, brother.